It's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. That's So Rachel, and if you're new here, go ahead and press that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications and you can be notified first when I post. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back. As you can see, I have a totally different background. I am back at my house in Virginia and the lighting is a little weird because I have a ring light and it's gonna rain, so your girl may look pale and not, you know what I mean? But just ignore that. And as you can see by the title today, I am gonna be showing you guys products that are safe to use for eyelash extensions. So as you know from my previous videos, I've mentioned that I have eyelash extensions on my top eyelashes. Ever since I got these, they've changed my life. They're kind of coming out like right now because I had them done like last week. So they last about, if you don't know anything about eyelash extensions, they last about two-ish weeks, and they have like care on how to deal with your lashes. Like you're supposed to use like oil-free face wash and oil-free makeup remover, and don't put mascara on your, you know, the extensions and all that type of stuff. So of course I follow all those rules. By the way, because I have some people ask like, where do I get my lashes done? And if you're in the Orlando, Florida area, I will put their name, their Insta name right here. And I go to a salon to get them done. But I will also put the girl that does my lashes, I will put her Instagram here as well. They're literally the best. They are so sweet and they become like my good friends, and they literally do such a good job on my lashes, and their glue and everything's so strong. Like it literally lasts like almost more than 2 weeks. But obviously this video I'm going to show you, you have to do, you know, the proper care and stuff like that. But I'm going to be showing you products that are highly rated for lashes, and also that I've kind of discovered that I really like new products I've just gotten in. So yeah guys, if you want to see the products that I use for my lash extensions and that are safe to use on lash extensions, keep watching. Okay, just to disclose some information before we start, as you see, I have some makeup on already. Like I said, for your lash extensions, you want to make sure, you know, your face washes and all that stuff are oil-free. Moisturizers and serums you can kind of like have some wiggle room with. I tend to fall away from like the really oily serums. Like sometimes if I'm like treating myself and do like a face mask and then I put like a, you know, an oil serum on, like the squeezy drops that has the oil in it, like sometimes I'll do that, but not a lot because I just don't want it to get into the lashes, like if it did fall down while I'm sleeping or something. But my face wash is the Youth to the People Kale green tea one, you know, my previous video. I'm still using that one and loving it. So today we're just going to be doing more of the eye area, obviously, because we're focused on the lashes. We are actually going to start with the Tarte Sugar Rush little summer playlist palette. I found this at Ulta and it is so cute. It looks like a little tape, you know, like an old school tape. And this is what it looks like inside. So you can see it has 4 shadows and then a blush that goes with it, and it's so cute. So I'm not going to be using the blush because I kind of already put blush on, but I was like, oh my gosh, I could do the bronze, like a little bronze smoky eye with the palette. So I'm actually going to do that now. So as you know, if you don't know, Tarte is vegan and cruelty free, so they have pretty good ingredients in their stuff. And I usually tend to love their formulas, so I'm interested to see how the Sugar Rush like line, because they have tons of stuff in that within that Sugar Rush like line or whatever. So I am excited to see how these work. So I want to play it safe. I don't want to go crazy, just, you know, because of the video. But I'm going to go with the shade Stop, and I'm going to put that kind of like in my contouring area. I'm just going to use the mirror for this so you guys can see me do it, because I'm interested to see if there's a lot of pigment. Again, I'm just using my normal, you guys know this freaking Sephora brush has been with me and I love it. So here we go.
So this palette is good for lash extensions. It's like an oil-free, you know, like it's safe to use. Like I did a bunch of research on this before, and I'm sure there's tons out there too. But these are a little bit more affordable options as well. But guys, I love that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a bronzy, like, it blends so well. I love it. So that was the shade Stop in this palette. Gonna go ahead and do the other eye as well and the contour area. But I do notice, okay, it's not as pigmented as I thought. And I don't know if it's because of glittery one, but I am needing a little more to put on to blend. So maybe they're not supposed to be super pigmented. Maybe they want it to be more of a light summery look. So if so, it looks great.
Okay, so as you see, we have, may not be completely even, but we have the contour shadow on. Now I'm just gonna take this random brush and I'm going to put the shade Rewind right on my lid. Just kind of pack it on super light. We'll see if this one's a little more pigmented. Here we go.
I'm loving the way these blend together. Like obviously like the color story is really good. It's super cute. It all goes together. But yeah, this one's not as pigmented either, guys. I don't know. Maybe again, like I said, it's not supposed to be. I almost put that on my lid for like a lighter so it can kind of blend with the contour. It's not necessarily supposed to stand out.
Now, last one, I'm gonna take the color Pause up here and go in and put it up near the brows.
Like I said, not crazy, you know, just trying to get this contour a little bit less noticeable. Kind of blend it out. And like I said, like this is not super pigmented either.
But I mean, they blend well. So together they blend well. I didn't try fast forward. So maybe it'd be, because it's a darker color, maybe more pigmented. And again, I didn't try the blush, but I will before giving this a whole, like, do I like it or not? But yeah, they're not really pigmented, but I know that this Tarte is good for lash extensions. They're safe for lash extensions. And I just wanted to get like the new little summer playlist palette because it's like one of their newer ones in the Sugar Rush. So next up, if you guys know my previous videos, if you don't know, I use this Marc Jacobs, it's called like Velvet Noir. I love this mascara. I live by it. I love it, love it, love it. And that's the thing with lashes. You can wear mascara as long as it's like on the bottom lashes. And I don't use waterproof mascara unless like obviously like you absolutely need to, but I don't really need to, so I don't use a waterproof. I probably go against it. So this one washes like right off, and I just love like the formula and the brush and the way it applies and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this off camera. Okay guys, so I am back and I put the Marc Jacobs mascara on, and as you can see, some people that have lash extensions, like they don't like wearing mascara on the bottom because they're like, why not? I already have lashes. And I totally agree with that. But I like wearing it on my bottom lashes because I feel like it adds like more dimension and more, you know, it just like makes your eyes look a little fuller, and it's super easy and fast. Why not just put it on your bottom lashes and go, you know? Now, next step, I recently found this, and you guys probably know about it, but it is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I have it in the shade Mad Max Brown. So this is what it looks like. I have not used this yet, so I usually don't use liners, especially with lash extensions, just because I get very scared. But I wanted to try, because this one's like the velvet tip, like the little can you see it now? There you go. I've heard that this one, it's a waterproof, but I've heard that it's really good for, like, it's safe to use on eyelash extensions. So I was like, okay, let me try. So I'm not going to do a wing, but I will do just a regular. So I'm gonna definitely do this off camera and I will be right back to show you. So guys, I am back from using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and I think that it has great pigment in it and it goes on smooth. So I will show you like a close up of like what it looks like. So as you can see, I literally just did the littlest like line across like just right over my lashes, because like I said, I didn't want to get all fancy with like the cat eye, because I just know I would have botched my face. I need to learn more videos on how to do a cat eye and do it like really good. That takes like a lot of work. Like I feel like cat eyes are like, I feel like when people get it, it's like super fast and natural. But yeah, with me, I just did the simple line, and I definitely think that it brings out, you know, your lashes and your eyes a little more. And my last product to show as far as makeup removing, I recently just got this Clinique rinse off eye makeup remover. Well, it's an eye makeup solvent. So it says that you can just put it like on a cotton ball or something and literally just remove your eye makeup. Yeah, so this eye makeup remover is gonna be like oil free, so it's gonna be safe to use around your eyes. And also guys, this is 100% fragrance free. So this doesn't have all the fragrance and artificial colors and all that crap in it. So if you're more of like, if you're focused on ingredients, this one should be fine. This is not going, this should not break you out and stuff like that, especially because you're just focused on the eye area, not a full face makeup remover. Anyways guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching my video and coming back for another video if you are a returning subscriber. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you're new here, go ahead and press that subscribe button down below so you can join my family, and also turn on the post notifications, because why not? I mean, you can be notified first when I post. And also all my social media will be down below, linked in the description. So go ahead and give me a follow on that. I'm pretty active on like all my social media. I hope you enjoyed this and learned something. Comment down below if you have eyelash extensions, like comment down below products that you found that work good for the eyes, whether that's a liner, shadows, mascara, a makeup remover, anything. I would love to know, because I want to go out on a hunt and even go research more and find out more that I can use for lash extensions. I feel like in today's generation, with even how far makeup and beauty has come, I feel like there probably is more options out there that are safe to use on eyelash extensions. So yes, please comment down below if you have lash extensions and you have found something that is just working great for you, because I would love to know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. It wasn't like tons, it wasn't like a bunch of products. Like I said, I want to discover more, but these are just recent products that I've found that I like that work. So yeah, I just thought I'd share. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!